Dave is out of town again. I swear he goes fishing every weekend.
I wish John would go away once in a while.
Did I tell you that the AC went out?
No, is Dave coming home?
Nope, he refused. Said he was halfway there already.
Oh, what are you gonna do? It's 90 degrees outside.
Oh, I called Rol Air, and they're on the way.
Rol Air.
Rol Air Plumbing and Heating. They
Care more.
Don't worry, Dave. We cooled your wife down. Now enjoy that fishing trip. When it's quality you need and rockstar service you want, call Rol Air Plumbing and Heating. They really do care more.
Yeah, we do care more.
He's such a dork.